Okay, I'm making this video of the tub rim, which is not consistent with the installation instructions because the pictures, it's hard to see fully what this rim looks like exactly. Here's underneath. You can see how there's no level surface to drop this onto a frame, if that were going to be the instructions, or a ledger board, because it's so uneven. Same thing over here. There's no flat surface that's just even that you would drop this onto a frame, as the models in the showroom, the AuquaLiving showroom, which were all drop-in models. The tile, what looks to be perhaps a tile flange, but not exactly. Doesn't look like any tile flange I've ever seen on any other tub, because number one, you can see it ends up going horizontal like this and not up vertical like a normal tile flange would. And you can see the thickness or the width of this is almost an inch. Varies actually. I think there's different widths, but it's maybe 3/4, a little bit more than 3/4 of an inch thick. So you'd be almost an inch off the wall if you use that as a tile flange when trying to put your tile behind it, which looks like no other tile flange that I've ever seen. Secondly, if you're actually trying to drill this into the stud, which is what the instructions say and what you would do on a normal tub with an integrated tile flange, it would be very difficult and challenging because of how it looks here. You've got this fiberglass sprayed underneath it that is sometimes this thickness, but other times it's this thickness. It varies, and it would be hard to try to nail this type of shape into the studs as a normal integrated tile flange. You can see here's on the other side. You can see the thickness of what's sprayed underneath that acrylic lip. Different than what's here. Different thickness here. And then also you can see, for example, over here, which is the second issue, there's no place to really place this onto a ledger board or frame as you would a drop-in tub, and as all the tubs in the showroom are drop-in tubs. They all clearly have a flat surface underneath this rim. This rim all extends and goes down, and then there's a flat plane that you would put on top of a ledger board or frame. Here you can kind of see, hopefully from the video, that it goes down and then it's just kind of round here. There's no flat surface here, and then under here also there's no level flat surface, which would be significantly underneath here, more than an inch as the instructions would call for. But even if you were to get a board that would extend that far, which looks like it would be about maybe 1.5 inches under, perhaps a 2x4 could do that, it's not flat. It's not even to where you could put that surface. If you can see, eyeball it kind of in the corner there. Different thicknesses here, and not a flat, even surface that you could just lay on top of a longer board that would stick out without interfering with these tubes and wires, especially on this side. So anyway, I hope this video helps. This board is just something I put here to keep this up, otherwise it leans down, as you hopefully saw from the pictures from when I picked it up. Thank you.